Yo, what's good YouTube? This is you, and today it's gonna be part 3 of the custom gallery post. But right now, we're not gonna actually do the gallery, we're gonna do something better. We're gonna do a product post, and it's gonna be a product custom post. But right now, I just wanna show you a plugin, you guys. You don't have to use this, but it's gonna help you in writing this code. So it's just go to custom post type UI, WordPress, download this plugin, alright? You're gonna find it as a zip file. So afterwards, just go into your local host and then go to plugins and then just add a new plugin, and in that upload the plugin and then browse that and go to your downloads. I already have that installed, so I'm not gonna do that all over again, but just I'm gonna show you that. Just 1 second. So open and then install that. So it already exists, so I'm not gonna replace that. But in it, you're just gonna go over here and then add new post type. Just add, for example, let's actually delete the old one that we have. I'm not gonna use it anyways, but I just wanted to show you if you want like a coding example you want to copy from, or you try to do something like it. Let me just delete this one. Alright, so yeah, this is how you delete this one. But if you want to make a new one, you're just gonna go to CPT UI and then make it products, for example, products post, and then you can make it product in the plural label, and the singular label is gonna be a product. And you could add the post type description, the menu name, all the items, add new product, for example, and add that in the item as well, and so on and so forth. You could add a lot of options over here, even set the featured image. You could change the message, so you could do like, for example, set product image here, and you could do product image in the featured image, for example, and make sure to go at the end to choose categories WordPress core and the taxonomies. And also you could do like custom taxonomies for the post itself, and also you could add custom supports, like you could support a featured image, the excerpt, which is a small description of the post itself, page attributes, post formats, author, and so on and so forth. So let's add this for now, add the post type, and we could also add and edit a taxonomy. So let's add attach to the post type first, attach this to products, and we want to make this products post category, product categories, sorry, and then product category. Alright, so let's just add that, and we actually need to add one last thing. So go into registered, add and edit post types, then edit post types. We want to make this archivable. So archives, let's actually make this products archive. So we have an archive of all the products. And there's another one has archive, yeah, make that true. And one last thing, you could also add and hierarchical support, whether the post can have parent-child relationships, like if you have a what's it called, like a sub theme for your WordPress theme. Right now I'm not discussing this, but later on, until I get the best of it, like I learn the best of it and then teach it to you guys, I'm gonna do the parent and the children theme for this theme. Alright, so one last thing, we could also change the menu icon you could get from the dash icons, which are over here. We could just use this one over here. So let's choose the dash icon. Since we're making product, so let's search for product. Alright, so this is the the one that looks like a product the most, so we're just gonna take this one and then save the post type, and as you can see it's already over here. Even if we, let me just get the code again. We're not gonna use this one, we're gonna make our own, but we're gonna have this one right beside us just as reference. So you could just get from the CPT UI, just go over here and then view post types and then get code, and just get this code and just add it into your theme. So in our functions folder, you could also add this into your included folder if you're doing a production version of your website, but for now I'm just doing this in my functions folder over here. So let's make a product. Let's actually make it a product catalog.php. Alright, and inside it open up a PHP tag and just add the code from the custom post type UI, and also the product categories taxonomy. So we want to add this as well. You don't have to add this step if you don't want a custom category for the products. You could just use the categories in WordPress core. I just do have a problem with the categories in WordPress core. Do not like, I have some problems with displaying the categories themselves. So let's use the taxonomies right now. Alright, so like I said, we're not gonna be using this, but we're gonna be doing basically the same thing. I'm gonna do this with scratch from you guys, but for now, I just want to make this as simple as possible. So let me just delete actually this plugin, alright? And I'm gonna show you something. Even if we delete this plugin, so let's deactivate it, and then let's actually delete all the plugins so you could see that I'm not using any plugins. So let's delete them all. Yep. So right now we have no plugins, and right now this product catalog is not mentioned because we don't have it in the index.php over here, which is included in the functions folder. Basically I have this index.php which has all my functions, and then I included it in my functions.php. Alright, so as soon as I include it into my functions.php, it's basically going to show up the products catalog that we just made. So product catalog.php, and then close this, refresh this, and then refresh this. Here it is. And in the product, as you can see, the one that we mentioned before is going to be adding a new product. And even here, you can see the product image is mentioned, the product categories, which is right now is the tag, and the categories of the WordPress core themselves. Right now I don't have no categories, but let me try adding. Actually, right now I'm not gonna be using this again, like I said, but this is just for you guys to understand how a plugin registering works. And this plugin just helps you basically displaying registering the plugin itself. Right now if we do this plugin, like if you add anything to it, it's not going to do anything, because basically right now this is a custom post type and I don't have the custom post type mentioned in the category or anywhere. So we need to find a way to display this, and the way we're going to do this in the next video is that basically we're going to write a loop over our products over here, and we're going to add a video and some embedded sound clips also for our products, and also images. So I'm going to be trying to add as much as possible for this products catalog for you guys, so you could all get a better understanding of how to make a custom plugin in WordPress. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this, guys. I'm sorry this is going to be a long video. This is going to be a 3-part video. In the next video, I'm actually going to explain this, basically the thing that we just copied. We're not going to be using this, like I said. We're going to be trying to code this on our own, and I'm going to try to be explaining as much as possible from all of these. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, guys. This is what AngularEDU in the 23rd video in the series, and see you guys in the next video where we're going to be registering the post type, but we're going to do the functions from scratch. We're not going to do the plugin. Like I said, I just wanted to show you guys how you could use a plugin to write the code for you, just as a reference, uh, in case you want to write your own. All right. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment and like, subscribe, and peace.